If you look in the lower right-hand screen, you see that I have, this is on my homepage, it says, "Hi, how can I help you?" Well, that was awesome. But the problem is, my intention was that when people came to my website, I wanted to direct them to content that they might be looking for. So I started asking a number of questions, and I was also kind of using it as a screening process, because for example, I don't do done for you services. So if somebody said they were looking for done for you services, I wanted to say, I honestly don't do that. But here are the things that I do offer. So the mistake that I made, number one, I gave them too many options. And I really did. Again, I thought that I was helping direct them to the right content by saying, are you looking for one-to-one coaching? Are you looking for some kind of group coaching? Are you looking to do a done with you? I had too many options. And if they clicked an option and then I kind of responded to them, the other mistake I made is I wasn't collecting their name and email address. And the third mistake I made was I wasn't actively asking them to respond to me. So I'm going to show you how I changed this when I did it on my sales page. So you can see I did the video ask on this sales page down here. I just made it super simple. This time all I said was, have you got a question? If you have one, go ahead and choose an option, and they could either send me a video, they could send me an audio message, or they could type a message. That worked great because I gave them just 3 options to ask a question. So if somebody didn't want to go on camera, they didn't have to. They could have just typed their question, or they could have just recorded their audio. And I didn't try and play directing them where to go. I just simply said, hey, if you have a question, you can go ahead and ask. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear it, but if I click on it, hey, this is Deanna, and I'm here to answer any questions that you might have about the Kajabi Flight Crew Club. And so if you are looking for an answer, you have a specific question, or just want to clarify something, go ahead and choose one of the options. You can either send me a video, but it was 30 seconds. And then I said, you have the 3 options, and they could click reply and then respond. And then that response came to me in my email inbox, which was great. There's also some zaps you can set up, like you can have it notify you if you use Slack. You can set it up that the Slack bot will send you a message and say, hey, you have a response to your video ask. So this was by far much better and easier to use, easier for them, and not as confusing.